Today we are going to explore the history and evolution of Hitachi, a Japanese multinational conglomerate company that has expanded into a wide range of industries and established itself as a major player in the global market. Hitachi is a Japanese multinational conglomerate company that was founded in 1910. The company started as an electrical repair shop in Tokyo by Namihei Odera, who was an engineer. The company initially focused on repairing electric motors and transformers. In 1912, Hitachi began manufacturing its own motors and generators. Over the years, Hitachi expanded its business to include a wide range of products and services, including information technology, consumer electronics, power systems, social infrastructure, automotive systems, and construction machinery. The company has also established itself as a major player in the global market, with operations in more than 100 countries. In the early years, Hitachi focused on domestic markets in Japan, but it quickly began to expand internationally. During World War II, Hitachi supplied the Japanese military with weapons and other equipment. After the war, Hitachi shifted its focus to the civilian market and began exporting its products to other countries. In the 1960s and 1970s, Hitachi established itself as a major player in the electronics industry. The company developed a wide range of products, including televisions, VCRs, and personal computers. In the 1980s and 1990s, Hitachi shifted its focus to high-tech products, such as semiconductors, optical storage devices, and LCD displays. In the 2000s, Hitachi continued to diversify its business, expanding into areas such as healthcare, financial services, and renewable energy. The company also made strategic acquisitions, such as the purchase of IBM's hard disk drive business in 2002, which helped solidify Hitachi's position as a leader in the storage industry. In 2006, Hitachi underwent a major restructuring, consolidating its business into 5 core segments: information and telecommunication systems, power systems, social infrastructure and industrial systems, electronic systems and equipment, and construction machinery. In recent years, Hitachi has continued to focus on innovation and sustainability. The company has set ambitious environmental targets, such as reducing its greenhouse gas emissions by 80% by 2050, and has invested heavily in research and development in areas such as renewable energy, smart cities, and artificial intelligence. Hitachi has also been active in promoting social responsibility and diversity. The company has established a code of conduct that emphasizes ethical behavior, human rights, and environmental protection. Hitachi has also launched initiatives to promote diversity and inclusion, such as the Women's Leadership Program, which aims to increase the number of women in leadership positions. Overall, Hitachi's history is marked by a focus on innovation, diversification, and global expansion. Today, Hitachi is one of the largest companies in the world, with more than 300,000 employees and annual revenues of more than $80 billion. The company continues to innovate and expand into new markets, with a focus on sustainable development and social responsibility. Hitachi's history and evolution demonstrate the company's ability to adapt and thrive in changing markets and industries. With its commitment to innovation, sustainability, and social responsibility, Hitachi is well positioned to continue its growth and success in the years to come. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Take care and see you next time.